Hello everyone, this is Aman and welcome to my channel. So, IoT or Internet of Things, as it's most popularly known, is one of the greatest phenomena of the century. It gains a lot of video. I will discuss a brief idea about basics of IoT and its application on health sector. So, let's get started. So, what is the Internet of Things? The Internet of Things is the network of physical objects, devices, vehicles, buildings, and other items embedded with electronics, software, sensor, and network connectivity that enables these objects to collect and exchange data. In simple words, Internet of Things is an ecosystem of connected physical objects that are accessible through the internet. So, what could be an example of IoT device? Any physical object can be transformed into an IoT device if it can be connected to internet or to be controlled or communicate information. A light bulb that can be switched on using a smartphone app is an as is a motion sensor or a smart thumb in your office or a connected street light. Why IoT? Dynamic control of industry and daily life improves the resource utilization ratio, integrating human society and physical system, flexible configuration, access technology integrator, universal internetworking. So, what is the scope of IoT? Internet of Things can connect devices embedded in various systems to the internet. When devices or objects can represent themselves digitally, they can be controlled from anywhere. The connectivity then help us capture more data from more places, ensuring more ways of increasing efficiency. Working of IoT technology. When talking about how does IoT work, the process begins with devices that have built-in sensor. These devices are connected to data from all the connected devices. The important data is then used to perform tasks that fulfill the need of people. Devices carefully select only particular data that is relevant to execute an action. These pieces of information can detect patterns, recommendations, and problems before they occur. There are four major components of IoT system. These are sensors or devices, connectivity, data processing, and user interface. So, sensor and devices. The foremost important to consider in Internet of Things technology is sensor or devices. A sensor picks up all the minute details from an environment. The environment can have many complexities. What makes IoT security so great is in these days sensors that pick up even most sensitive changes. These sensors are built in devices which collect all their data to be used later. For instance, our phone is a device with built-in sensors like GPS, camera, etc. Connectivity. Once the data is collected, it is transferred to the cloud infrastructure, also known as IoT platforms. But to transfer the data, the device will need a medium. That's when connections like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, WAN, cellular network, etc. come into play. These mediums are all different and must be chosen wisely for best result. Data processing. After reaching the cloud infrastructure, the data has to be analyzed so that the right action can be taken. The analysis can be simple as checking the temperature of the AC or a complex one such as a situation where intruder comes in and device has to identify it through cameras. The IoT application is made such that it can process all the data at a fast way to take immediate actions. User interface. The last step is where the user is notified about the action with the help of notification or an alert sound sent to the IoT mobile apps. This way the user will know that his command has been run through the system. So, challenges enterprises face in IoT implementation. Complexity and interoperability of different IoT systems, verification and authentication of technologies, integration of IoT products with IoT platforms, poor connectivity at some place, handling unstructured data, capturing capabilities, intelligent analysis, data security and privacy issues, less consumer awareness, delivering values. These are some applications of IoT. First is smart home. Smart home clearly stands out, ranking as highest Internet of Things application. More than 60,000 people currently search for the term smart home. Each month, more companies are active in smart home than any other application in the field of IoT. Wearables. Wearables remain a hot topic too. Of all the IoT startups, wearables make Jawbone is probably one of the biggest funding to date. It stands at more than $500 million. Smart City. Smart City spans a wide variety of use cases from traffic management to water distribution to waste management, urban security, and environmental monitoring. IoT solutions in the area of smart city solve traffic congestion problems, reduce noise pollution, and help make cities safer. Smart grid. A future smart grid promises to use information about the behaviors of electricity suppliers and consumers in an automated fashion to improve the efficiency, reliability, and economics of electricity. Industrial Internet. While many market researchers such as Gartner or Cisco see the industrial internet as the IoT concept with the highest overall potential, its popularity currently doesn't reach the masses like smart home or wearables do. Connected car. Most large automakers as well as some brave startups are working on connected car solutions. And if the BMWs and Fords of the world don't present the next generation internet connected cars soon, other well-known giants will. Google, Microsoft, and Apple have all announced connected car platforms. Connected health. The concept of connected healthcare system and smart medical devices bears enormous potential not just for companies, also for the well-being of people in general. Smart retail. Proximity-based advertising as a subset of smart retail is starting to take off, but the popularity ranking shows that it is still a niche statement. One LinkedIn post per month is nothing compared to 430 for the smartphone. Smart supply chain. Solution for tracking goods while they are on road or getting supplies to exchange inventory information have been on the market for years. So while it is perfectly logic that the topic will get a new push with the Internet of Things, it seems that so far its popularity remains limited. Smart farming. Due to the remoteness of farming operation and the large number of livestock that could be monitored, the Internet of Things could revolutionize the way farmer works. But this idea has not yet reached large-scale attention. Nevertheless, one of the Internet of Things application that shouldn't be underestimated. Smart farming will become the most important application field in the predominantly agricultural product exporting countries. Internet of Things in healthcare. Okay, the usage of Internet of Things in healthcare has sharply increased across various specific Internet of Things use cases. At the same time, we see how other healthcare IoT use cases are and healthcare reality is accelerating even if hurdles remains. Along with such rapid development, however, come a strict necessity to keep up the pace. A good thing is that all medical fields are either looking to or already go hand in hand with advanced technologies, from diagnostic to therapist, from pediatrics to complex surgery. Application of IoT in healthcare. Okay, first, remote patient monitoring. 30% of medical patients readmit into the hospital after surgery. Question is why? The straight answer is lack of monitoring patient. Tackle an emergency is still a challenge. Remote patient monitoring can be possible with the collaboration of IoT. Wearing devices with embedded sensors can monitor patient condition whole day long and can notify the doctor. Hospital operation management. Lots of people around the hospital and obviously it is a crowded busy place. Stealing medical equipment is a crime that costs a life. Sometimes doctors are so busy that they don't have opportunity to observe multiple patients simultaneously. Internet of Things in healthcare applications accumulate all the problems and bring the solution. Glucose monitoring. Diabetes is a chronic disease It occurs for abnormal functionality of the pancreas gland. The main task of pancreas gland is to produce insulin hormone. The insulin controls the glucose level in our body. When the pancreas produces less or no insulin, blood sugar can be up and down. This can lead to vital internal organ damage. So IoT application with wearable or embedded body sensor that continuously monitor and send data of sugar level in blood can minimize the risk of death by diabetes. Connected inhaler. Asthma is a disease that not curable, but it is controllable by using the inhaler. Symptoms of asthma attack can be realized by a patient half an hour to 8 hours before. Internet of Things in healthcare application can provide smart solution here. A sensor connected inhaler can alert the patient from triggering factor to prevent an asthma attack. Connected contact lens. The eye is an extraordinary human organ. Tears put a thin layer over the eye to keep it working, but tears can do more, rather keep it working with the help of IoT based contact lenses. With the combination of sensor and contact lens, it is possible to detect symptoms of various diseases, which can be extraordinary advancement of IoT in healthcare. Hearing aid. IoT in healthcare is playing a smart role, and IoT based hearing aid application is already familiar. Almost 466 million people have progressive hearing loss problems. Connecting all internet enabled devices serves a great purpose of making our life easy. Challenges of IoT in healthcare. As much as Internet of Medical Things seems to be revolutionary and highly efficient, these are still some major challenges of IoT in healthcare in tech concept must overcome down the road. Under development initiatives. Many IOMT initiative directed at battling chronic disease or other issues still need time to grow and develop a lot in order to start providing regular enhancement results. Possible lack of available memory. IoT sensors and devices can generate colossal amount of data, all of which is important and need to be analyzed. This poses a question of huge data repositories that must hold all the volumes of information for indefinite terms. Difficulties with regular updates. With so many hardware solutions come as much software for powering and managing it all. This software must be timely updated in order to run smoothly and stay at its latest version. And here's where constant update will require lots of effort and might span many technical issues. Personal sensitive data security. An IoT powered medicine is a hardware packaged system that functions through the internet. An online system gets hacked and breached. This spawns a chance of importance private data being potentially undetermined. Global healthcare regulations. The IoT still has to be approved by global healthcare regulatory bodies worldwide. This will take a time and keep many innovations at bay just because of some formalities. Advantages of IoT in healthcare. All around technological enhancement, rendering hospital visits unnecessary, passively accumulating and deeply analyzing important health data, etc. We have already pondered on all these advanced tech capacities glowed enough. The IOMT provides space for fantastic long-term innovations. Disadvantage of IoT in healthcare. Privacy can be potentially undetermined, as we have already mentioned. System get hacked. Lots of attention will need to focus on data security, which requires significant additional spendings. Future of IoT in healthcare. Full-blown smart hospitals by 2020, mHealth as regular common things on global scale, and full reduced physical visits to hospital. This is only an approximate picture of the IOMT success. It is estimated that the install base of IoT device in healthcare will be more than 161 million units by the end of 2020. According to some independent prediction, almost 90% of healthcare establishment and organizations worldwide will be employing the IoT as a regular in-house tool by the end of 2019. Summary. So let us emphasize one more that the IoT can be nothing short of field as important on the global scale as healthcare. There are still many difficulties, peculiarities, and technological obstacles to overcome. And even though there are currently downsides as well as advantages to concept, things seem to go well for this technological innovation. We are pretty confident that if you ask most medical professionals about their opinion on the subject, they will say that full IoT integration and adaptation is the only biological way of development for advanced medicine of the future. With that being said, enjoy the life saving, health improving fruits of the massive technological process. Thank you.